Correct, yes. There should be a neighborhood, that's it. अच्छा, you mean to say only क्यों बोला है ऐसा? सीआर इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है क्या? कौन से पॉइंट पे कर रहा है विद? और y इक्वल टू जीरो कि इट इज एंड और? ओके सर, करते हैं ठीक है, चलेगा, नो इशू. U is x cube plus 3xy square. So and V is, here they are saying analytic, मतलब अभी मुझे पॉइंट फाइंड आउट करना है. So V is what? Y cube plus 3x square y. So what is ux? That is 3x square plus 3y square. And what is uy? This is 6xy. And what is vx here? It is 6xy. And what is vy? Vy it is 3y square and plus 3x square, correct? So you see that ux equal to vy satisfy हो रहा है. So इधर से कुछ मिलेगा ही नहीं मेरे को, करेक्ट. एंड uy इक्वल टू माइनस vx होना चाहिए. So that is 6xy, that should be equal to minus 6xy, correct. So that means xy equal to 0. हाँ, so that means either x is 0 और y is 0, करेक्ट. और दोनों 0 हुआ तभी भी चलेगा. either x equal to 0, that means what is the value? z equal to I, करेक्ट. y is 0 मतलब z equal to y, I'm sorry, z equal to y, correct. And here y equal to 0 means what? Z equal to x. And next z equal to 0. Now this is okay, ठीक है. CR इक्वेशन के लिए मेरे को 3 पॉइंट मिल गए. 0 मिला, z इक्वल टू x मिला, z इक्वल टू y. x एंड y एनी रियल नंबर एनी उसमें, ठीक है. z इक्वल टू y आई आना चाहिए, करेक्ट. इज दैट क्लियर? फ्रॉम CR इक्वेशन ये मिला, बट स्टिल वी आर नॉट डन. Do you see? Can I use my second condition, that is u and v, they must be harmonic. That means ux आया, uxx निकालो, uyy निकालो, take their addition, whether it is giving you 0. Do you see? So what is uxx? What is uxx? It is 6x, na? And what is uyy? Uyy, it will be 6x again. Do you see their addition 0 आता है क्या? और कब 0 आएगा? uxx plus uyy. We are having 3 points. अभी इसमें से 2 लोग और जाएंगे. Do you see that? Yes. So this should not be. This should not be. Only case is that z equal to 0 पे ये 0 आएगा. That is u is harmonic. Same you have to do it for v also. v में भी ऐसे ही आएगा. vx है, vy है, vxx निकालो. So vxx निकालोगे, you will be having 6y, and vyy निकालोगे, you will be having 6y again. Their addition must give you 0. So it is true only if your y is 0. Correct. So दोनों 0 होना चाहिए, x 0 y 0. So the question is, it will be analytic only at 0. Is that clear, Jamin? Do you see मैंने कौन सा theorem use किया? We have proved that is two condition. The first is u, or directly u is harmonic conjugate of v. Sorry, v is harmonic conjugate of u. If we say v is harmonic conjugate of u, that means your function is analytic. Function u plus ib is analytic. That is what I am using. And what do you know? What do you mean by harmonic conjugate? That means u and v must be harmonic. That is first condition. And second condition is your CR equation. Do you see that? With CR equation I got 3 points. ठीक है. But the next condition is to check whether it is harmonic or not. हाँ, is that clear? Yeah. Anything else? E option second में ये option किधर है? Okay, you can make accordingly. Just check CR equation check करो और harmonicity check करो and you can get that. Correct? Did you solve that? But easy है मतलब you can do that ना कि you want me to help you. और anything else, any other question? बोलो अभी कौन से क्वेश्चन में? Okay, fourth one, good. The function is given this. F is first of all, do you understand what do you mean by entire function? Perfect. Yes, analytic on C. So the first question is f is entire. Do you see that this function, this is in z only? You see that e raised to minus x minus y minus common लिया तो ये e raised to z ही है actually, e raised to minus z है. So this thing is, everything is in terms of z. So it is entire. Do you agree? F. I'm talking about f. Look at f carefully. What is f? That is z square minus 2 multiplied by e raised to minus z actually. So this is what your this one is, which is entire. You कितना भी differentiate करो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है इसको. Is that clear? F is entire. इतना clear है क्या? या analytic बोलो. F is analytic. So option B और C तो गया. Because F and H are nowhere, F and G are nowhere बोल रहा था. ठीक है? Do you see first observation? That was the first thing. What else now? Let us see G and H. How will you see G and H? First start with CR equation. पहले G को देखते हैं, ठीक है? So what is G of Z is U is XY and V is Y. So UX would be Y and UY will be, sorry, uy will be x, and here vx will be 0 and vy will be 1. So ux इक्वल टू vy आना चाहिए एंड uy इक्वल टू vx आना चाहिए. तो कौन से पॉइंट पे आएगा? ux इक्वल टू vy, दैट मीन्स y मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 1 and uy equal to vx, that means x must be equal to 0. So this will be true only if your z equal to I. Agree? मतलब सी आर इक्वेशन सिर्फ एक ही पॉइंट पे हो रहा है, बट इफ इट इज सेटिस्फाइंग सी आर इक्वेशन आई कैन नॉट से कि ये एनालिटिक है. व्हाट नेक्स्ट आई हैव टू चेक वेदर यू एंड वी आर हार्मोनिक. सो यू एक्स इज वाई पहले से ही मिला है, यू एक्स एक्स क्या आएगा? 0 आएगा. यू वाई वाई वो भी 0 आएगा. सो मतलब एडिशन इज 0. सो यू इज हार्मोनिक, दैट इज ओके. व्हाट अबाउट वी? Vx is 0, Vy that is also. So V is harmonic. So U and V are harmonic and it satisfies CR equation at Z equal to Y. So what will you say? What can you say then? This G of Z, it is analytic only at I. And I remember this question, actually this question was there and we had made some changes. There was some issue here. None of the option were matching. Because see this is saying analytic and on C, so ये तो गया और ये दोनों पहले ही गए थे. Correct? So there is some issue. Nowhere नहीं बोल सकते तुम. Do you understand कि analytic at I ये हम लोगों ने कैसे चेक किया? Yes. Correct. Okay, so and what about h? Can you quickly do that? U is 2xy and v is this. So find ux and vy and see whether it is. So accordingly ये option थोड़ा change करना पड़ेगा तुमको by seeing what is that. ठीक है? Okay, anything else? Any other question? Okay, question number 10. नहीं नहीं वो correction. No, this हाँ वही है. U is harmonic conjugate of V, but V is not harmonic conjugate of U ऐसा. So V is harmonic conjugate of and इसके बारे में हम लोगों ने पहले ही बात किया था if you were present in the lecture, correct? So if your function f or what was the theorem? If your function f equal to u plus iv is analytic, then or if and only if v is harmonic conjugate of u, correct? So अगर v harmonic conjugate of है, I cannot say that u is harmonic conjugate because पूरा CR equation change हो जाता है, correct? सो यू नीड टू चेक अकॉर्डिंगली कैसा है इसमें. ठीक है, अगर नॉर्मल सी आर इक्वेशन का फॉर्मूला यूज़ किया तो अगर वो सेटिस्फाई होता है तो ऑप्शन सी, नहीं तो यू यू सी दैट. ठीक है, एंड वेदर दे बोथ आर सेटिस्फाइंग, यू एंड बी आर हार्मोनिक कॉन्जुगेट ऑफ ईच अदर, सी दैट दैट इज इजी. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 बोल रहे थे ना. ओ 10 में भी तुमको फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ही करना है. हार्मोनिक बनाना है इसको. हार्मोनिक का मतलब क्या होता है? u x x plus u y y that is equal to 0. This is the definition of harmonic. Easy, correct? So let us see what is ux. Ux is 3ax square plus by, and what is uxx? That is क्या आएगा? 3 to the 6 ना, 6ax. So this is uxx, and what is uy? Uy would be bx, and what is uyy? That is again 0 na. So their addition must be 0, that is 6ax, that must be 0. So when this is true, for which value of a? Perfect, a equal to 0 and b कुछ भी रहा चलेगा ना, b is not a problem for me. So a must be 0, कोई ऑप्शन में डाल दो a equal to 0, that's it. ठीक है, what else? चलेगा, देखते हैं. So f of z equal to 1 by z, the level set of the level set of, ये क्या है? अच्छा दो बार लिख दिया क्या? लेवल सेट ऑफ एफ रियल एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ एफ आर, ये क्या लिखा है लोग ने? एफ ऑफ जेड इक्वल टू 1/z लेवल सेट्स ऑफ, ये पहले इसको मैं कट करता हूँ बार बार मैं. सो लेवल सेट्स ऑफ एफ रियल एंड इमेजिनरी पार्ट ऑफ एफ आर. ओके, सो पहले लेवल सेट देखते हैं. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय लेवल सेट? डू यू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम योर SYBSc व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लेवल सेट? Correct, correct, correct. F of xy equal to k. So here my function is 1/z. So if you put 1/z equal to k, so that means z equal to 1/k. Correct? That means your z would be constant. And if it is constant, मतलब क्या? That constant may be complex here. Huh? So f real मतलब इसका real part and imaginary part, they are equal, they are orthogonal, not orthogonal. What can you see then? Once you got to know that that is constant, मतलब z तुम्हारा constant है, z equal to say constant value something e plus ib. If you are able to write it with complex form, so this is e plus ib. So whether it is equal, ये और ये equal है क्या? So actually there is two things to note. लेवल सेट को आई थिंक हम लोगों ने रियल पे ही बताया है शायद, इक्वल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर नहीं. वी नीड टू चेक द डेफिनेशन. आई थिंक इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस एज अ रियल नंबर तो ऑप्शन सी आएगा, करेक्ट? कि मतलब ए और बी जो रियल पार्ट और इमेजिनरी पार्ट, नहीं फिर भी इट इज़ नॉट इक्वल, क्योंकि real part will be your constant value and the imaginary part will be 0 if you are taking this as a real number, correct? So answer would be this plus 0 something, 0 into that part, 0 into I. So then you can say they are orthogonal actually, dot product is 0. But still I'll just confirm this कि मतलब कांस्टेंट क्या लेना है, whether it is complex or real. If it is complex then answer should be none of this, and if it is real then it should be, then also it should be none of this actually. No, if it is real then it would be orthogonal, dot product is 0. Okay, so I'll confirm it and tell you, okay. And question number 12, that is the image of a line under fractional linear transformation is, okay. Do you understand what is fractional linear transformation? फ्रैक्शनल लीनियर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन का दूसरा नाम है मोबियस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. आई थिंक हम लोग ने किया भी है शायद वो, करेक्ट? So image of a line under linear transformation would be, or Mobius transformation it would be, actually it depends on your Mobius transfer. In some Mobius transformation it maps to line, in some it maps to circle. Maybe in the next lecture I'll show you some transformation, some Mobius transformation where the images are different. In some it is it maps to line, and you can easily check. Same goes for circle also. You can take this as an example. This is also a Mobius transformation. This is of the form Az plus B upon Cz plus D. Okay, and what is this? F of z equal to this I 1 minus z upon 1 plus z. The image of unit circle under this is, okay. How will you check image of unit circle? It is same question like range set find out करना है तुमको, ऐसा you can consider. So once you want to find range set, what is your image of, पहले z क्या है? Z equal to e raised to I theta. That is z is a unit circle. So you just substitute and try to see what you are getting. Substitute it in this equation and get what can you say about that function. Whether it is imaginary only, or whether it is a unit circle again, or whether it is real axis. So it is just put this value and solve it. Okay. So in next lecture I'll be telling you about this thing, fractional linear transformation पे mapping क्या होता है, whether line goes to what, circle goes to what. There is some actually I haven't done that theory to you guys, so in the next class we'll do that. And one more part is remaining, that is stereographic projection, that is also to be done in the next lecture. Okay. I mean, anything from the theory part? Hello. Okay, question number 5b. That is prove the following function is harmonic. If so, find the analytic function. Correct. तो पहले तुमको हार्मोनिक प्रूफ करना है. करेक्ट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय हार्मोनिक? दैट इज वी एक्स एक्स प्लस वी वाई वाई दैट इज जीरो. पहले तो ये प्रूफ करना है, ये बी का ना. सो व्हाट इज वी एक्स एक्स? पहले तो वी एक्स निकालो. वी एक्स वुड बी ई रेज टू एक्स sin 2y. And what is vxx? It will be again e raised to x sin 2y. And what is vy? 2y नहीं होना चाहिए था इसे. ठीक है, vy क्या रहेगा? It should be just sin y होना चाहिए बिकॉज हार्मोनिक ही नहीं आएगा. समझा तुमको क्या बोला मैं? there two is two. हाँ करेक्ट एक्चुअली, बट इन जनरल दे आर टॉकिंग ना. वो लोग थोड़ी बताए कि इस पे या इस पे. दे आर जस्ट आस्किंग टू प्रूव. सो यहाँ पे ये टू अगर नहीं होता तो काम हो जाता पूरा. डू यू सी? अगर ये टू नहीं होता तो साइन का डेरिवेटिव इट वुड बी कॉस. सो ई रेज टू एक्स कॉस वाई होता. एंड अगेन इफ यू टेक वी वाई तो इट विल बी माइनस ई रेज टू एक्स साइन वाई. डू यू सी? अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. देयर एडिशन इज जीरो. So here it should be 2. So you make that correction that it should be 2. It should not be 2 here. It is just sin y. Now it is harmonic. Now you can easily find. शायद इसी वजह से कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता होगा तुमको. ठीक है. हाँ हाँ ओके. नहीं वो उसी की वजह से बिकॉज हार्मोनिक किसी इंटरवल पे हो गया ना, ऐसा किसी पॉइंट पे हो गया. ठीक है. एंड नेक्स्ट थिंग इज टू फाइंड एनालिटिक फंक्शन. यू नो द ट्रिक करेक्ट. You just have to play with CR equation. Okay. Any other question from this, or do you want me to continue with this? ये complete करूँ? या हो जाएगा, बोलो. ठीक है. तो हार्मोनिक देखा अभी. Let us start now. Okay. So v is given as e raised to x sin y. So what is vx? That is e raised to x sin y. And what is vy? Sin y का derivative cos y. So it is e raised to x cos y. Okay, so what is your equation? Ux equal to vy. So ux would be, what is your vy? This thing, that is e raised to x cos y. So क्या करूँ मैं, इंटीग्रेशन करूँ तो ये क्या आएगा, u इक्वल टू e raised to x cos y plus the constant would be a function of y. Do you agree? Because we are differentiating, we are integrating with respect to x. So this is phi. So let us take differentiation, that is u y लेते हैं इसका. u y क्या आएगा, दिस विल बी cos y का डेरिवेटिव माइनस ई रेज टू एक्स साइन y प्लस फाई डैश ऑफ y. करेक्ट. दिस इज u y. एंड u y किससे सेम होना चाहिए? माइनस वी एक्स ना. सो व्हाट इज माइनस वी एक्स? minus e raised to x sin y, that would be equal to minus e raised to x sin y plus phi dash of y. मतलब क्या? phi dash of y equal to constant. No, zero ना. It is zero. So phi of y equal to constant. Mostly people used to consider this constant as 0 in particular, but it is better you should write key. ठीक है, खत्म हो गया. What is final answer? Your u will be e raised to x cos y plus some k को 0 भी पुट किया तभी भी चलेगा. In some books they used to put 0 only. They used to see कि हाँ u ये आया ऐसा. ठीक है. Okay, what next? Yeah, हाँ. See, this is what I am talking about. About this stereographic projection. इसके बारे में भी next lecture में मैं बात करने वाला हूँ. About this. This was the part remaining from this unit 1. And question number 6 and 7, I think you can do that. Question number 6 is, if you are having this function, you have to see graphically क्या आता है ये. That's it. Definitely this is a linear transformation because this is of the form AT, AZ. F of z equal to AZ. So interpret the transformation. The transformation is linear transformation. Done. And what is that? So that z of t equal to this and real part of this is 0 represent the same line in C. Okay. ठीक है. We'll see that. Anything else, Jamin? ओके. और कोई है क्या, मतलब साइली एंड श्रवणी? Question number 7, it is easy. See, this is the function. तुमको चेक करना है whether it is analytic or not. तो first thing you have to check whether it is satisfying CR equation or not. So what is u? U is x cube minus 3xy square, and what is v? 3x square y minus y cube. Correct. So find ux. ux क्या आएगा? 3x square minus 3y square. And what is vy? This would be 3x square minus 3y square. तो first thing is okay. ux is same as vy. ठीक है. Now uy निकालते हैं. uy क्या आएगा? This will be minus 6xy, and here vx क्या आएगा? It would be 6xy. correct. So you are having uy equal to minus vx. So this is satisfying CR equation. First condition clear है? Okay, what is next condition? You have to check whether this u is harmonic. So how will you do that, whether this is harmonic? ux आया ना, uxx निकालो अभी. uxx क्या आएगा? It would be 3 to the 6x. इवन डायरेक्टली दिख रहा है कि ये कंटिन्यूस फंक्शन है. These are continuous function, तो भी डायरेक्ट बोल सकते हो. और uxx आया 6x. uyy देखो, uyy will be minus 6x. Addition is 0, that is uxx plus uyy equal to 0. ये हो गया. Next vxx, your vx is 6x, so it will be 6y, and vy, I think ये क्वेश्चन शायद मैंने किया है लेक्चर में. I can remember now. Vy would be minus 6y, and the addition will be 0 again. So what is my conclusion? That is v is harmonic conjugate of u, so that means it is analytic over C. So option A is correct. F is analytic on C. Is that clear? Yeah. Anything else? Any other question? Yes, anything else? Okay then.